Hello, Body Fangs, and welcome to Alice Ras. Jitte. Now, look, if you want to go tan a choppie and have a doppie, there's only one place that you stop at, okay? Bosveld, Biltong en Braai Vleismark. Come with me. Vars poepelvruggie, straight from the plaas. Bruin tabakkie. Hulle wors is 'n mond vol. Krokodil Society. Yummy. Jitte. Hierdie veldhoender lyk bietjie styf hoor. Now you see, here at Bosveld, Biltong en Braai Vleismark. You don't get your ordinary vleis here, okay? You get krokonoster, crocodilus. Tastes like chicken. Yeah, bosvark, all the wille vleis that you've always wanted to try. Check them out. Even a poop morsel with cheese and knoffel on it. What? So next time you in Alice Ras, okay, pull yourself towards yourself then. Raak so excited soos 'n klein rooi kop laaitjie met sproete in 'n sweet shop. Bosveld, Biltong en Braai Vleismark. Check them out. Blaarig gemeenskap.